Good morning, everybody, from beautiful Clearwater Beach, Florida. It's Florida Sand Hunters channel. I'm Dad, and this is James. Hi, James.
Hi.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Have to say hello to anybody today?
Yeah.
Who?
Hi, Mrs. Nike.
Hi, Mr. S. Who else?
Miss C.
Miss C.
And Mr. D.
Mr. D.
Yeah.
Who else?
And all my friends.
All your friends. Okay.
Yeah.
You know what we have to talk about today, too?
Who?
I worked with someone here in Florida, Mike, and his son, Nicholas.
Yeah.
Just started doing metal detecting a while back. And he's really trying hard, and we hope he finds some good stuff soon. You just have to be patient, and you'll find some really good stuff real soon. Okay, Nick? Let's get on with our hunt today, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Ready.
See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, James, I got a 20. Want to dig it up? Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
2021 it says. Let's see what we got. Still in the hole. I see it. You see it, bud? What is that? 10 cents.
Hey.
Hey, look at that. It's a shiny dime.
Merrill Fuzzles.
Merrill finds them, yep. James is a 20 single.
Yeah.
Right about here. Right there. All right. 20 single for James. See what you got, bud. Oh, that's a good scoop. All right, I'll check it for you.
No, yeah.
All right. Oh, it's still there. Is it? Let me see. It's right in here. You knocked it out.
Yeah.
Yep, it's right in here. Right about there. James is digging a 20 single.
Really?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah. Let's see what we got. Right.
Hey. Got it?
Still there.
Oh.
Can we give you a shot? Help you?
Yeah.
All right, let's try it from here, from this side. Oop, it's out. Here you go. Check it out. Move your scoop out. All right, what do you want to use? You want to kick it or you want to use your pinpointer? Pinpointer? Oh, I think I see it. Is that it? That's a penny right there. James found a penny. Good job, bud. Good job. Abe Lincoln. Very good. There's some sort of object here. It's a shovel. James here found a shovel. We dug up a shovel. $10.11. I think I see it. It's foil. Yeah, I got foiled. It's a foil. Oh, here's our next signal right here. There's a 25. Let's see what we got. Still in the hole. Oh, there it is again. Look.
What?
What's that, James?
Dude.
Another 10 cents. Can't believe it. Who's on that 10 cents? Who's on there? Roosevelt. Very good. 28 single. And the scoop. Check it out. What do we got, James? Let's see. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a car. Everybody likes cars. It's a Jeep. Car number one, James. What do you think? Yeah. Pretty cool. James, I got 25. $25 signal. Still in the hole. A little off on the side here. Let's see. Got it. We'll give it a shake. There it is. Another dime day. Got it? Here you go, bud. You drop it?
Drop it.
Uh-oh. A 14. It's probably a pull tab, but we'll check it out. Give it a shake. There it is. What's that, James? Dream Squasher. It's a 20. See what we got. Still in the hole. Give it a scoop. Oh, I see it. It's a can. It's litter bugs. James has a coin there, or something there. I got something here, 21. Let's dig it up. Dig that up, James. I'll dig this up.
Got it?
It's over here. Close. Oh, I see it. It's a penny. Coin spill. We're on a coin spill. 21 cents. What do you got, James? You got something? Kick it out. Good job. Excellent work. Keep going. Movie scoop. You want help?
Yeah.
All right, let me try. Oh, that's a 30. You know what I think that is? I think that might be a quarter. You want to use your pin pointer? Take that pin pointer out. Let's go. It's right here. 21 cents we got from this pile already. Let's see what we got here. This looks like a quarter. Let's see what we got. Move it all around. What do you got? Use your pin pointer. That's it. That's what you got to grab. See anything?
Nope.
There it is. You got it. Pick it up. Show everybody what we have here. It's a shiny. It's a quarter. Let me see. And who was on that quarter?
George Washington.
George Washington. Good job, buddy. James, look, there's even more here. A coin spill. All right. You see it? What is it? Penny?
Yeah.
Shiny penny. Holy cow, buddy. Somebody had a hole in their pocket over here. Oh. But wait, there's more.
What?
There's more, bud. Oh, grab it. I can't believe it.
You got
25, yeah.
it?
Ah. Look. Oh, there it is. A penny. Let's see if there's anything else. I don't even know if to shut the video down anymore. I think that's it, bud. Oh, wait.
What? More?
Yeah.
Oh.
1819 single right here.
Look.
I can't believe this. I see it. You see it? Another penny. Oh, let's look around. Come on. Coin spill. Coin spill alert. That's it. I think that's it, bud. Excellent coin spill. Ready to move on? Okay. I got 21 single here, James.
Yep.
Yep. Let's see what we got. Still there. Oh, we got a single here. And we got a single here. We got two of them. You want to check this with your pinpointer?
Mm-hmm.
Check this one. I'll keep digging here. Still in the hole. James is checking that with his pinpointer. Let me check again. Right about there.
Okay.
Still in the hole here. 2 hits in 1. All right, it's in the scoop. Got anything, bud?
No.
All right. You can, it's there. I just heard it. Oh, there it is. I got my penny. Penny. What do you got, James? Anything good? Let me see. What you got? I'll kick it. Right there, bud.
Right there?
Check there, check there. Yep. There it is. Show everybody what you got. Penny. Good job.
Mm-hmm.
21 single. There it is. It's a penny, I think. Yeah, penny. Old earring. It's an old earring. Very old earring. Yeah, old earring, buddy. Looks cool. Jamesy, what'd you just find? We found a bracelet. We found a little bracelet. It's goldish. I don't know if it's real or not, but it's cool. Good job. Okay, it's time for the cleanup time. We're back home. We got a car. It's a battery. Bunch of bottle caps, and of course, Corona's the best out of all of them, right? We get a lot of Corona people. And what do we got here?
Dream squashers.
Dream squashers. Got 3 quarters, 4 dimes, nickel, bunch of pennies. The Vanquish 540 is picking up these little teeny pieces of metal. I'm telling you, I really like this detector. It's on the low end, beginner model, but it is picking up tiny, tiny pieces of metal in the sand. And instead of making the exterior, I should have made a waterproof Vanquish 540. We got an earring here. It's a little crusty. Try to clean it up and see what it is. Maybe it's silver. Small little earring. And we have this gold necklace. It's gold and silver looking. We'll have to check it. I have the test kit. I'll test and see what it is, but it's possibly gold with a silver mix in it. Looks good. That's all. Hope we enjoyed our dig. And if you like what you saw and you like watching our channel, please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thanks. We'll see you next time, Florida Sand Hunters. Want to say goodbye, James?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to say?
All right.
See ya.
See
Bye.
ya. See ya.